Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep Cherokee battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and your new battery. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for your safety. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from potential battery acid or electrical hazards during the process. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. You'll typically find the battery under the hood, often on the passenger side. Using your wrench, disconnect the negative terminal first, which is usually marked with a minus sign. Then, disconnect the positive terminal. Finally, carefully remove any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray before lifting it out. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. First, clean the battery tray and the new battery terminals thoroughly to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Ensure all connections are snug and secure. To finish up, double-check that all connections are tight and secure the battery with its hold-down clamp. Once everything is in place, start your vehicle to confirm the new battery is working correctly. You might need to reset your radio or clock. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.